Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an online business store using Wix.com. If you are a business owner looking to expand your reach and increase your sales, an online store is a great way to do it. And Wix.com makes it easy and affordable to get started. So let's get started. First, go to Wix.com and create an account. After creating the account, this this is the dashboard. It will be right here without any problems. You click on this arrow here and create a new website, or you can just edit the website that you create on the starting up. After clicking on the online store and choosing it, we have to head to templates. If you can't find the template, you can just search it here. So let's do it. Website template here. You can choose a template for your website. Here for you we have an online store. I think there is a category here. There is an online store. So Wix had a wide range of beautiful and personal looking templates to choose from. You can select one of them that suits your business and customize it to your liking. So there are lots of choice. Let's just choose a random one, but a good random one. So I'm just checking so I can choose what I have to edit. So let's choose this one and edit it. So once you have selected your template, you can start customize it to fit your brand. And your logo, add your logo, change the text, and upload your own images. Wix makes it easy to edit and customize every element on your website. So it will take too long to generate a new website for you. And here you will have your website with the editing tool. Now it's done. We have the desktop version and the mobile version. Here you can add elements, add sections, add page and menu, site design, add apps, your business, media, and content manager. So this is how your website will look like. So there is some empty spaces you have to fill. This is a bit laggy for my PC. So I think this is for cooking. So yeah, yep, you can link your account down here. You can allow your customers to add their emails here. You can remove anything you see on this page. You can start from zero. You can change the background, change the layout, short header. You can change the pictures or anything depending on what you need. So if you do some mistakes, you can undo it. The pages here, you can add some pages. Here we have the home page, and let's go to the shop page. Basically here your products will be shown. So, yep, as I said, this is for cooking and recipes. Those numbers are random. You can edit the prices. You have to edit the prices and change the picture depending on what are you selling. Here you can add some elements like text, image, button, stripe, decorative box, gallery, and others. Every category has some. We have the title, the heading, the paragraphs, the list, community design, and others. Here we have the sections. You can add more pages. Here we have the site design. You can add apps here to your market. So let's wait. So after editing your website and adding the shop page and generating all the pages you need, depending on your business, it's time to set up your payment and shipment options. We supported a variety of payment methods, including PayPal and credit card. You can also choose your shipping options and set your shipping rates. So here are the apps you need. So as a concept, you have to add live chat, Formula Live Chat app, so you can chat live with your customers that need help. Here you can edit your business. Editing the business include the store. You can add your first product here. These settings can help you start from zero. You can add first product, design the shipping, connect payment methods. So here you click on get paid. They will be direction you to the payment page on your website, so you can set and edit. So for the beginners, payment isn't the heart of your online store. The heart is your product page. So you can add products, set prices, and manage your inventory. Wix also allows you to create products collection, so you can add group of products depending on categories, like they do on multiple websites, famous websites like Alibaba and Amazon and the big companies. So here the instructions to connect your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal account, email, form below, click connect and be directed to PayPal so to confirm it. Those are the fees, the taxes. If you don't have PayPal account, you can create it, and those are the payments. So let's head back. Here we have the media and content manager. So it's easy to create a website by yourself, but on Wix.com you can add a team and give your members roles, CEO, and uh, you will have the right to delete what they add and manage your account from zero. So after completing your website editing, you connect it to a domain so people can find this easily on the website, on the navigator. So your website will be like this, and you can buy it. So to connect to a domain, there is a new domain name when you have to pay. You can pay for a premium domain, like the. We will see some examples here. or you can just connect it to the domain you added to your profile. So here we have connect domains, the VIP plan, the unlimited, the combo, and connect domain basic. Those are the benefits, and that's it for today's video. After connecting your website to the domain, your website will be shown on the navigators. You can invite your friends to check it, and you can use Facebook and Instagram ads to invite customers to it. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.